If you want more stories, tap like and subscribe.
In the city of Milton Keynes in the United Kingdom, a young boy named Mahor began a brand new chapter in his life. When he was 6 years old, he moved there with his family, leaving behind familiar places and starting an exciting new adventure. Mahor was a thoughtful and intelligent boy. He loved discovering new things and asking questions. But on his first morning in England, he felt a tiny flutter of nervousness in his heart. Soon it was time for Mahor to go to school. Because of his age, he would start in year 1 at Kents Hill School. Mahor held his backpack tightly and walked toward the school gate. Inside the classroom, many children were talking and laughing. Mahor understood only some English words, but he listened very carefully to everything the teacher said. Mahor was quiet at first, but his eyes were always full of curiosity. His teacher soon noticed that Mahor paid attention to every detail. One day during math class, the teacher wrote a puzzle on the board. Many students looked puzzled, but Mahor's eyes sparkled with excitement. Mahor thought carefully for a moment, then raised his hand. His answer was correct. The teacher smiled proudly and said, "Excellent work, Mahor." From that day on, everyone realized that Mahor was very talented in mathematics. He often received weekly or monthly achievement awards. But school was not only about studying for Mahor. He had many passions and dreams that made every day exciting. One of Mahor's biggest interests was cars. Racing cars, police cars, fire trucks, he loved learning about them all. Sometimes he spent hours drawing cars in his sketchbook. Each drawing had wheels, windows, and tiny details. Soon, Mahor discovered another talent, drawing. His pictures became more creative every day. He drew football players scoring goals, tall buildings touching the clouds, and even puzzle-like artworks that amazed his classmates. Mahor also loved football. During break time, he ran to the playground with excitement. At first, Mahor felt shy talking to the other students because English was still new to him. Then one day, something wonderful happened. A friendly boy named Jeddah walked up to Mahor and smiled. "Hi, do you want to play football with us?" Jeddah asked kindly. Mahor nodded happily. From that moment, Jeddah became Mahor's first close friend at Kents Hill School. Jeddah helped Mahor learn new English words every day. Together they played football, studied math, and shared stories. Little by little, Mahor felt more confident speaking English. Each new word felt like unlocking a door to a bigger world. Soon, Mahor made many new friends. The students liked him because he was kind, curious, and always ready to help others. Every week, Mahor continued improving. His math skills amazed his teachers. After some time, Mahor successfully completed level 1. Then he worked hard and proudly completed level 2 as well. Mahor had grown braver and more confident. The boy who once felt shy now loved learning every day. Soon it was time for the next step in his journey, level 3. For level 3, Mahor would go to a new school called Heronsgate School. Although it was a new place, Mahor felt ready. He remembered how brave he had been before. Mahor still loved drawing and often imagined designing new kinds of cars. He also practiced football whenever he could, dreaming of scoring amazing goals someday. Sometimes, Mahor looked up at the sky and wondered about his future. Maybe he would become a professional football player. Maybe he would become a famous artist. Or perhaps he would become an engineer who designs amazing cars and buildings. Whatever the future holds, Mahor knows one important lesson: courage and kindness can open many doors. Moving to a new country can be challenging, but with patience, learning, and good friends, new adventures can begin. And so, Mahor continues his journey, learning, dreaming, and growing stronger every day.